In this video, I show you how to make a paper corner bookmark. So all you need to make this paper bookmark is a 6 by 6 inch square paper. So first we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Like this. And now we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Then do the same thing on the other side. Then open these. And now we have this corner right over here. We're not going to take both of these. We're just going to take the front one, and we're going to fold this corner to this point where these two creases touch this edge. I'm going to mark it out with a pen. Where these two creases touch this edge, like this, and then crease sharply. And now we're going to just fold this flap like this. And now we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Then do the same thing on the other side. Like this. Now we're going to reverse these creases and tuck them into this pocket. Like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. And now your paper bookmark is complete. So you can use different colors to make it look more nice. You can use different colors. Like I have used blue, and here I have used orange. And yeah, it is very easy to make. So if you like this video, you can give it a like, and you can subscribe over there, and also you can watch my latest video over here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So see you guys next time. Bye.